I want to share my experience with you with this Repel plant-based mosquito repellent. It is a lemon and eucalyptic mix. Now, I grew up with off, and I can remember going camping with my parents, and they'd spray that crap all over your face, all over your body, and you reeked, and you could taste it in your mouth. And I'm kind of really apprehensive about all this natural oils and all of that stuff and all of the benefits of them. So I just went camping this weekend, and it was a mosquito infested place. Could not believe, and they were the little tiny ones that kind of like get in your eye, get in your hair, get everywhere. So I dug this out and I sprayed it on my body, on my arms and stuff. It's not sticky. It doesn't smell. Once it dries, it's fine. And then I took some and sprayed it on my hand and patted it on my face. And again, it's not sticky. Somebody else said, oh, I don't like using sprays because they're sticky. This isn't sticky, and it smells good, and it doesn't have that DEET in it. And I'll tell you what, the mosquitoes didn't bother me. I also took it and I sprayed it, squirted it like around the front of my tent so it would repel this mosquitoes. So I like this a whole lot better than I like those chemical sprays that you're putting all over your face. That's just my opinion, but I'll be using this again.